Okay, here's the setter puppies. They're 5 weeks old yesterday. Yes. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Look at you guys. We're crazy. You're just little crazy kids, aren't you? Yeah, look at you. Oh, boy. Yes. Crazy, crazy. Gonna rip stuff apart. Hi, baby. Aren't you cute? You're too cute. Oh, hi. Look at you. Hey, what are you doing under there? What you looking for? This little guy's gonna go to California. This one right here. Oh, baby. He had some poopies on his back. I washed him, so he's a little shivery. And this is Wolfgang. Right there. That black, or one that's ripping things apart. And this one here is Jewel. She's gonna go with Larry. He's one of our members. But we're still looking for some homes for some of them. There we go. Hi, guys. Oh, my goodness. What you looking for, Jewel? All right. Got my nose working. Wolfie, what are you doing?